Hello friends, I am Shankar Vadatkar, financial advisor from Mumbai. As this is my first video on this website, hence before I discuss anything about financial planning, I would like to brief you about myself and my journey over the years in this industry. Basically, I come from a poor Maharashtrian family. After completing my 10th standard, my father asked me to discontinue further studies and start working. But as I was interested in further studies and to take the expenses of my college education, I had joined part-time job with one sub-broker at Shivaji Park as an office boy. It was around year 1997-98. During those days, after completing my college at Rupara College, which is nearby Matunga station, I used to travel from Matunga to Churchgate. As during that time, most of the leading financial institutes and broking offices were situated at Fort and Nariman Point area. So I used to visit every office at that area almost on a daily basis to collect or submit some papers. I had also visited iconic Bombay Stock Exchange building and RBI building. Later on, NSE Exchange had started its office at BKC. So I used to visit that place too. This type of working had helped me to get around ground knowledge about financial market, and it had generated interest in me towards learning more about this sector. So just after completing my graduation in the year 2002, I started full-time job at leading broking house in India as an equity dealer. Presently I am working as a financial advisor and an equity dealer, and I mainly handle portfolio of my NRI clients who are based in Gulf region. In this video, you may find me a bit serious, as whenever I talk about investment or finance, I naturally become serious, because it is about our hard-earned money, and to manage it, we have to be serious. As old saying goes, health is a wealth. Similarly, I think health and wealth are interdependent. Like, if our proper financial planning is in place, we can live our life peacefully and without any stress. So as we take care of our health seriously, we must learn to take care of our hard-earned money with same seriousness. After working for so many years in this industry, I have realized that there is no proper awareness about equity investments in our country. Due to this, there is a lot of mis-selling going on in this sector. Many of our people hesitate to invest in their money in the equity market due to low confidence or lack of information. With practical knowledge of this industry, I noticed that people from only selected communities like Gujarati and Marwadi are more active in the stock market, whereas Maharashtrian people are very less active due to their inherited conservative nature. This is the ground reality in our India. Actually, the funny thing is that India's leading two stock exchanges, BSE and NSE, are located at Mumbai, Maharashtra. That's why I feel very sad about this situation. Hence, over the years, I tried to find out the reason for such situation, and then I come to know that many of these people often misguided or being cheated by some person, and so they have burned their fingers in the stock market. Hence, they try to avoid it from their investment list. Hence, after a lot of thinking, I have recently decided to start my FB page on financial planning, through which I regularly keep posting educational information on financial planning. Nowadays, if you search on the internet regarding financial planning, you will come across many options. After reading that technical jargon, you easily get confused and not able to decide on anything. Hence, to help you out with a simple layman language through my post and with my past experience, I have started this FP page. Please do visit my page to get more information and knowledge. First and foremost, one thing is important in financial planning, that is trust and patience. Like our Lord Sai Baba said, Shraddha and Sabur. Trust, you should have full trust on your financial advisor. And patience relates to your investment time horizon. You should give sufficient time to your investment. More the time period, more will be your returns. Presently, the technological advancement and the digital development